there, it's Carol here bringing you another video today. Today I'm going to show you what I put together for my ladies who came to my retreat. By the time you see this, the retreat will have finished. It was the 8th and 9th of March, sorry. And this is their like goodie basket. So sometimes I do a goodie bag. At Christmas I did like a goodie sack. So I do something hopefully that's useful they can use in their craft rooms if they have them. So I've got them all set up here. They're now finished. I had the last bits today arrive. So I've made them for the front. I've made them a friend tag. I used re-inkers on this and just scraped and did lots of daubing, and this was a friend die I got in a kit, and that's an old punch that we used to use in Stampin' Up that I've kept, and I've put that on. And then in here, some of it is Stampin' Up, some of it isn't, because I've been sourcing different things. My retreats are, they're not the most expensive. I'm sure maybe they're not the cheapest. I don't want, you know, I don't want to be cheap, but I do want the ladies to get lots for their money. So I've got some craft dimensionals here, quite big, bigger than we normally use, 25 by 25 millimeters. I got them all a crystal pen. Some are pink, some are blue, and one of the demos I saw them make this holder for the pens, so I've made all those for the ladies and put them in these little bags. Hopefully they'll like their crystal pens. I saw these mini clipboard and notes. I thought they can take notes if they want, and they didn't look great in their little plastic bags, so I've just added this topper and it just makes them look so much nicer. I got them in embossing folder. Love this embossing folder. I already had it, so I got those guys ones. This is Stampin' Up. This is copper. I can't it shimmer paint, and we're using this with some of the cards. We're doing some flicking, so that's really nice. Mini glue dots. That's Stampin' Up. Of course, some Tombow. I got these enamel shapes. They were in the clearance rack, so I got everybody one of those. I got them some red tape. I made them one of these. These came just as charms, and I've put them on here so they can put them on their scissors or whatever they want. So live, laugh, love. I love that saying. Got them 3 daubers each because they'll need them for some of their projects. And then I've got them a mask. Now, I did a blind challenge making a card, and I won a gift from it, and I loved doing it. So I've got them all a mask, and I think maybe on the Saturday, we're doing Saturday, Sunday, so maybe on the Saturday afternoon, I don't know, maybe before dinner, I'll see how it all works out. I'm going to do them a blind challenge, so I need to get that actually organised and cut today. So that'll be really interesting, and I'll do a prize for it as well. So that'll be really cool. I can't wait. There's been a lot of preparation to this, so I'm hoping the ladies really enjoy it. The ones that are coming, this is my 3rd year of doing it, and I think they all of them, yeah, I think all of them that are coming have done 3 years. This is their 3rd year with me. So obviously they like it and I like it. So we're going to have lots of fun. I've got some great projects for them. And I can't wait to show you and share with you. So take care, everybody. I hope you loved all the goodies. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. I could have maybe added. Oh, and they have got, don't worry, they have got some chocolates and sweets. Let me just go and grab one. Hang on. They're all boxed, see, put away. Let's get, here you go. I'll show you this. I've done, I bought these tins ages ago, and I've covered them in burlap, put these on. My friend was selling these. She had extra from her wedding, and then I've done their names on sticks, so they're going to go in there. So this will be like their nameplate. And then I've got some eggs as well. One of my ladies is gluten-free, so she doesn't lose out. And I wasn't sure I don't think the chocolates and things are gluten-free. So I went out and bought her some Rainbow Drops, some orange Irish cream. It's from a sweetie shop where the lady is gluten-free, so that was really helpful. And Turkish Delight, I'm hoping she loves that. So that'll be really cool. I've got her some biscuits and some cakes. I know the hotel will do stuff as well, but I wanted her to feel, I want them all to feel special. I don't want her to feel as though she's a nuisance, because she isn't. I want her to feel, you know, it's okay, it's not a problem, because it definitely isn't. So I can't wait. So yeah, they have got some sweeties. They've got lots of chocolate and bits in here. They've got quite a few. Keep them going. We'll have cakes, we'll have biscuits, we'll have all sorts. So have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye.